Introducing Toolcad. With Toolcad you can easily find and explore folders, search for files and see all the information related to them. Export all the technical documentation with just one click. You can export as many types of files as you want and save them in the project folder and also in other folders to easily share them with your workgroup. Automatically save your models by using your own saving rules. You can use custom properties, vault serial numbers, and more as the source for the file name. Quickly create models from your custom templates. Models can be modified from the Standard Models tab, either individually or from the parent assembly. Standard Models drawings can also be created with Toolcad by simply pressing a button. It is possible to interact with the PDM. You can check out, check in, see the data card, get the last version, and change states of the files. Toolcad, software to automate the mechanical design process.